Welcome back to A Future Fuel, your go-to channel for the latest insights into cutting-edge automobiles. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Audi RS Q8, a vehicle that redefines what it means to be a luxury performance SUV. Introduction to the RS Q8. The 2025 Audi RS Q8 isn't just an SUV, it's a statement. With a perfect blend of exhilarating performance, high-end luxury and advanced technology, the RS Q8 continues to dominate as one of the most versatile offerings in Audi's lineup. Whether you're cruising the open highway, tackling mountain roads, or simply pulling up in style, this SUV makes an unforgettable impression. Design and exterior features. Audi's design language shines through in the RS Q8, with sharp lines, aggressive stance, and aerodynamic precision. The signature single-frame grille, accented with gloss black honeycomb mesh, immediately grabs attention. Flanking it are laser LED headlights, delivering both style and superior functionality. The coupe-inspired roofline flows seamlessly into the rear, where you'll find sleek OLED taillights and a sporty diffuser with large oval exhaust outlets. The 23-inch performance wheels and available carbon fiber accents further emphasize its high-performance DNA. Whether you opt for the bold standard colors or exclusive Audi Sport finishes, the RS Q8 guarantees to turn heads wherever it goes. Performance and powertrain? Under the hood lies the beating heart of the RS Q8, a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine paired with a mild hybrid system. This powerhouse delivers a staggering 591 horsepower and 590 lb-ft of torque, launching the SUV from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.6 seconds. The standard Quattro all-wheel drive system ensures maximum grip and control, while the adaptive air suspension adjusts seamlessly to your driving needs, whether you're seeking comfort or dynamic handling. Audi has also equipped the RS Q8 with rear-wheel steering, making it surprisingly agile for its size. For enthusiasts craving even more, the optional RS Dynamic package pushes the top speed to 190 miles per hour and includes carbon ceramic brakes for unparalleled stopping power. Interior and luxury features? Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that radiates sophistication and sportiness. Premium Valcona leather seats with honeycomb stitching and RS badging provide both comfort and support. Ambient LED lighting allows you to customize the mood, while the panoramic sunroof floods the cabin with natural light. The dashboard is dominated by Audi's dual-screen MMI touch response system, featuring a 10.1-inch infotainment screen and an 8.6-inch climate control screen. Add to that the 12.3-inch Virtual Cockpit Plus, offering customizable displays for navigation, performance metrics, and more. For audiophiles, the Bang & Olufsen 3D Premium sound system delivers crystal-clear audio quality. And for rear passengers, optional heated and ventilated seats, plus additional USB-C ports, ensure everyone travels in first-class comfort. Technology and connectivity? When it comes to technology, the 2025 Audi RS Q8 is second to none. It features wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a full suite of driver assistance systems, and Audi's latest AI-powered adaptive cruise control. The advanced heads-up display keeps critical information in your line of sight, while the predictive efficiency assistant helps optimize fuel consumption by analyzing upcoming road conditions. The RS Q8 also introduces Audi's next-gen over-the-air update capability, ensuring your vehicle stays ahead with the latest features and improvements. Sustainability and efficiency. Despite its performance prowess, the RS Q8 incorporates sustainability into its design. The 48-volt mild hybrid system boosts efficiency, allowing for smoother stop-start functionality and reduced emissions. Audi continues its commitment to a greener future with advanced engineering that doesn't compromise on excitement. Pricing and availability? The 2025 Audi RS Q8 starts at an estimated $125,000, and, with fully loaded models reaching closer to $150,000, and deliveries are expected to begin in early 2025, with pre-orders already open in select markets. A conclusion? The 2025 Audi RS Q8 is the ultimate expression of power, luxury, and innovation in the SUV segment. From its jaw-dropping design to its heart-pounding performance, it's a vehicle that seamlessly bridges the gap between practicality and thrill. If you've been waiting for an SUV that can do it all, the RS Q8 might